and welcome back to Wild Animals. Here, we have the gnawed eagle. I don't really know the name, but I was told by the producers it's the gnawed eagle. Now see, the gnawed eagle is in its nest. So, we're gonna walk right up to it. We're gonna say, here, bird! Oh, geez, the birdie's bad! The birdie's bad! Alright, so we have the gnawed eagle here today, again. And we got Bill, and he is gonna throw that squirrely creature into the nest. Oh my God! He's biting it. He's getting a good bite. Oh my God! He's really killing it. Oh my God! Oh, back up, people! This gnawed eagle is very dangerous.
Some of the most aggressive gnawed eagles are female. Just as it's always been female.
Okay. This is how the gnawed eagle prepares bedding. He gets ready to do the jump. He does the spiral. He picks up some sticks. Oh, here we go. We're looking for a 7-star performance. Oh, here's the jump. Oh!
He got a bit too close to the edge of his nest.
Yeah, Bill's back.
Yeah,
professional trampoline gnawed eagle judge. And yes, he's asleep now. So, run.
Let's get a little bit closer.
Wait, we got a stick.
I'm pretty sure that's a broom.
Hey, Bill, get in there, get in there.
Okay.
Hey,
yes sir.
hey, Bill, he's gonna get in there.
We're gonna let Bill do this.
I'm Wild Extremist Bill, and I'm about to poke a gnawed eagle.
After an injury, I wasn't allowed on the trampoline, so that's why we got Bill. Do the gopher stance. Oh, Bill. Oh, jeez, Bill.
Wild Extremist Bill. This has been poking a gnawed eagle.
Cameraman. He's got a broom, cameraman.
Oh my God.
Oh, God. All right.
What am I supposed to do?
We're gonna send Bill in there and see how long he survives.
Yes, sir. I mean, ma'am.
Yeah, I got a sex change. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. Here we go.
I saw this in Jurassic World.
Not sponsored by Jurassic World. Oh, the humanity, the animality. Oh, I say that's a good 3 seconds. Oh. Help! No, Bill. Oh, Bill. Oh, there goes the jugular. Yep, there goes the jugular. You know the jugular. Anyways, that concludes the gnawed eagle. See you next time on Wild Animals. Alright, so here we have the gablin and his young. Now, the gablin is a very simple creature, much like a penguin. They like to eat leaves. But we're gonna go and poke it. Hey, gablin! Gonna eat your baby. Okay, here we are. Oh, the gablin's coming. Take Bill instead.
Please help me. I'm extremely allergic to grass.
Cameraman, he took Bill. Alright, so here we have the gablin feeding its young. We got Bill over there from gnawed eagle. And yeah, he's tenderizing the meat. But we're gonna go try to save Bill. Yeah. Oh, geez. Okay. I'm going back for Bill. Oh God. No, Bill, let's go. All right. So we got Tommy.
I'm Bill's brother.
Yeah.
I'm here to avenge you, Bill.
And the gablin is hunting. So this is a park, so there's not a lot of animals here. So we sent out Tommy. Oh, off into the sunset. Oh, Oh, look at those jukes. Oh, Tommy is coming back. Let's just get a shot of the baby Gabeling. He is very scared right now. The Babeling. Oh. Oh.
No, please.
And now the Gabeling feet. Oh my, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Next scene. Next. Okay, we're very close to them. This is the sleeping ritual. As you can tell, the baby Gabeling is very protected. You see, they're such heavy sleepers that I can literally do this and no one would notice. So, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna get this chair. Now see, I took this chair from the Gabosaurus Rex, as you guys probably saw last wild animal. We're gonna put it right there. And we're gonna, well, I ran out of stunt doubles, so I'm gonna sit right here. Wait. Oh, Tommy's still alive. Tommy, come do this for me.
Wait, I need a med kit, please.
Oh, you see that chair right there? It's filled with med kits. Go. Alright, so here we have Tommy. So we're just gonna wait till the Gabeling wakes up. Oh, and he's waking up. Oh. 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 There goes Tommy. There goes Tommy. Oh, Tommy's rolling down the hill. Oh, the baby Gabeling is very dangerous. Oh, and as you can tell, the Gabeling is taking its prey off into the forest. Oh, oh, I've never seen this before. The Gabeling has decided to go back to sleep and finish Tommy off later. So, hey, the Gabeling, he's still alive. Go get him. Go get him. All right, so the Gabeling doesn't like commands. He's probably very sleepy. So, yeah, see you next time on Wild Animals. Now, I'm the cameraman for this one since I lost them all. And here we have the Bald Eagle. And he's going to be very upset because the Gabeling has taken his nest. Let's watch the Bald Eagle's reaction. Okay, we get a good caca. Oh, he's walking over. Okay, we're gonna bring this camera in real close. Real close. And by that, I mean real close.
Where am I?
Oh, Tommy is still alive. Oh, no.
Mom!
There's nothing your mom can do now, Tommy. Oh. As you can tell, the little Babeling wants out. All right, we are mobile. Now, we're going. As you can tell, the Bald Eagle has won the fight. So we're gonna give him this to document his adventures. You win a free camera. Don't eat the baby yet. You win a free camera. All right. This is a very sad day. Very, very sad. Oh. The fight continues, but look at the Babeling. The Babeling just wants to get out. All right, we're gonna throw this camera in there. Hey, Babeling, give me back the camera. Now here we see these are people These are people. These are all the rest of the Tommies and Timmies and Geralds I got. Here we go. We got Gerald. We got the Nikita. We got Babelin stunt double.
Good thing
And
I took that heroin because I'm Billy and I'm back.
Yeah, and we got Billy. Now see, much people don't know, but if you guys want to help out on wild animals, call us, and we'll put you in this pen, and you can end up like Billy. And some of you will die in this pen.
I want to eat you.